Hey, let me show you how you can create thumbnails for your YouTube videos by using a new feature that is built into your YouTube studio. So this is the default thumbnail that YouTube recommend me, but this is the thumbnail that AI create. So how it actually looks, you have to open the details of your video just over here on the left side. Now you have to scroll down and you are searching for the Get Suggestions button. If not available, it means that it's not available for your region, so we have to wait for some updates. But for me, I'm living in Europe, I can click on it. Now on the right side, I can see that it start creating thumbnail based on the title and description and everything that is actually here on this video. So now we have to wait for around few moments. It takes like from 1 to even 3 minutes. It actually depends of the length of your video and the size of your description. And now after a few minutes, I can find two concepts. The first one with the split screen with a description and the second one with an arrow and big text. Of course, I can still customize it. So for example, if I want to get this thumbnail in the MKBHD style, I can input this prompt. Of course, I can get more precise information, like for example, add red arrow or something different. I'm clicking here and now I'm waiting for another response. Okay, and now all I have to do is just to select the thumbnail that I want to get by clicking on the download button. And when downloaded, we have to go here into this three dots, click to upload a file, pick this from your library, click open, and now you will have to click save in the right upper corner to apply this. And that's how it actually works. Thanks so much for watching and see you on the next one.